Ball joints had a crack in the boot, and well, I ended up having a lot of play in it. I don't know if it was screwed up in the first place, but anyway, I'm warranting it, so I want to show you guys some tips on how to get these ball joints out of a 2002 to 2006 Sprinter. So first things first, you got to get it way high up in the air, and my jack was just not doing the trick. So the trick is to put your bottle jack, put that right on there, the control arm mount, okay? So that'll let you get your jack stands all the way up. Okay, so I placed one there and one there. Those are OEM approved. Okay, so now I removed the struts and the sway bar mounting pad, and I leave this in place because it'll hold it there. And careful of the brake line, you need to support it with this once you get it jacked up. Once you take this off, so that you don't, because it'll fall down like that, because you don't want to hurt the brake line. So anyway, once you get it all jacked up there, this is like not that much room to hit it. So what I did is I raised it up a little bit, and then take your big heavy sledge, probably even a bigger sledge than this, like a 4-pound or 6-pound. Okay, and now swing it between your legs, just like this. So you got a good swing, and just shabam, hit it as hard as you can, just like that, and came out pretty easy. So that's how I did that. What else did I want to show you guys? Oh yeah, so then I screwed up this nut real bad, and it was just the whole thing was spinning. I was not able to get this nut off. So what I did is I placed my pry bar right in there, just like this, and then I tensioned the whole ball joint. Well, anyway, you get the picture, just like that. Okay, and now, while pulling on the pry bar, I was able to get this nut to spin freely. So there you go. I was beginning to think this is a very bad idea, because you just have not much clearance under there, even jacking it up with the floor jack and getting it all the way to the top. So yeah, a big jack would really be handy. It's probably safer to jack up both wheels on the front. Make sure you chalk your tires. And yep, just some tips. Good luck.